Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY US dollar Japanese yen for 9th April. So this analysis is for 9th April only, Friday. You'll see me next week again with the analysis for the coming week. I bring videos on daily basis, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are watching my videos for the first time. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And I would like to mention one more thing that yes, my small course for the beginners is live on YouTube right now. I have uploaded around 32 lessons because I have started this channel recently, around 1 month, 10 days, 10-15 days, and I have observed that uh, most of the people have lost their money because they do not have any proper knowledge about the market. They do not know how the market works, how the demand and supply zone works, how the chart works. Okay, they do not have any knowledge. So this course is only for the beginners or complete beginners who wants to have something. Okay, one who wants to know the basic knowledge about the market. So if you're one of them, then please do watch this videos and you will get a good amount of idea about the functioning of the market. And this course is live in my YouTube channel only under the name of Forex and Stock Learning Course for Beginners. So please do watch if you're a complete beginner. And now let's jump to the chart of US dollar Japanese yen. So this is the chart of US dollar Japanese yen. And as we all know, USD JPY was in beautiful uptrend, but since this particular point market is not in a good mood, broke the support of 50 moving average. Okay, so this is the overall chart of USD JPY. Probably you can hear the sound of aeroplane. I stay nearby airport. Anyways, there's no doubt that market is in beautiful uptrend, or market was in beautiful uptrend. Okay. If we keep aside this uh, support factor, then market is still in uptrend and there is no doubt about it. Okay, just look at the beautiful trend of USD JPY. Now let's switch to the 1 week time frame. And I have already shown you in my previous videos that why market reversed, and I already told you in my previous video why there was a possibility that market will be reversing. And see, market reversed from this particular point. And you can see that though previous week market formed a green candle, I told you that market may reverse because there is a resistance in the weekly time frame. And as we all know, higher time frames are very much dangerous because they are because higher time frames are the time frames of the bigger players. Okay. And as you can see, this week we formed a red candle, and I was expecting that market will be taking support at this level, but market is trading below the support, trading below the support. So what should be a strategy then? Wait. Sorry, this is the weekly time frame. Let me switch to the normal time frame, our beloved 4 hours time frame. Looking at this particular chart and looking at the weekly chart, we have understood that yes, though overall trend of the market is towards the upside, but as of now there is a good selling pressure going on in the market. Therefore, therefore, if you're thinking that you should short the market, then you are wrong. Because see, if you short the market here, okay, if you short the market here, your stop loss will be somewhere around here. Okay, because this is the ideal place to keep your stop loss. If this is your stop loss and this is your take profit target, because market has support here, so your this is your take profit and this is your stop loss. Okay, you're going against the discipline of risk to reward ratio. So this is not the ideal position to short the market. Yes, market is going, the market may fall further, but you cannot go against the discipline. So wait for the market. Okay, wait for the market, have proper discipline. Okay, wait for the market either to reach this level or this level. As of now, this is the support for the market and this is the resistance for the market. Okay, so I'll be giving you 3 trading possibilities here. So market is right now trading here, so when market will reach this particular level, okay, then observe the price. If you see that market is about to reverse from here, because market has got support here, you can see. If market reverses from here, go for a buy. Simply go for a buy if market reverses from here. But do get the confirmation first. Confirmation in the form of hammer, price rejection from below, or a green candle like this. Once you get a confirmation, buy above this line, buy above the support, because this is our area of value. Secondly, if market crosses this level, no need to trade. No need to trade. Today is Friday, just leave it. Okay, do not short the market, because there is a possibility that market market may, after going down a little bit, market will bounce back. Okay, so do not short the market. In case market goes up from here, in case market goes up from here, then look at the price at this particular level. Okay, at this particular level, because we can see that where is my pencil, price consolidated at this level. Okay, so look at the, if market goes up from here, look at the price at this level. In case market reverses from here, you can short the market. In case market reverses from the 50 moving average also, you can short the market. Okay, so this is also one of the um, shorting opportunity for you. Okay, this consolidation level and the 50 moving average. Thirdly, you can short the market at this resistance level 110.82, but there is a little possibility that today market will be going up this high, looking at the present selling pressure in the market. Okay, so first is buy at the support, buy at support. Secondly, this level in the middle. Okay, it generally I trade from level to level, but today I'm saying you to that you can trade in this level because market consolidated here. So if you can take a small risk here. Okay, if you short the market here, your stop loss will be just above the 50 moving average. You can take the risk. And thirdly, you can short the market at this resistance level. Okay, these are the three trading possibilities for US dollar Japanese yen as of now. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye, and do subscribe.